guys, what's up? It's Marissa, and today we're gonna do a monthly journal. So I understand that it's already within the month of September, but I still wanted to do it. Now I got this very flexible notebook journal from Amazon with my 18 colored markers. I know most people who do this have way more than 18, but I thought this would really be good just for a beginner to see if I really like it. Guess what? I did. That's why I posted this video. It was really cool to do. So I picked 5 colors because that fits my theme and I didn't want to overdo anything. Now, the first thing first, I'm gonna put down a key. Now this key is gonna go throughout all the months, but it's actually fitting the September color theme. So we're gonna just go with it. If you wanna just do basic colors for this, since it will be for the whole entire book, go ahead and do it. So I have task complete, YouTube, event canceled, and work. So these are the things I'm going to focus on most inside this book. Now I of course picked all my colors and I had a different symbol for all of them, but I did something really easy because you don't want to be too unique, I guess, for these, because if you're too unique, you're not going to do it every single time. You're not going to draw a butterfly every time you get something done, or you're not going to draw a Sears tower every time you have an event. So I just did basic shapes that will take me less than a second. Now, this is the first and fun part, is 2018 page. So this is just my motivation page right from the get-go. So this is where I define my theme. So automatically I start drawing out little quotes. I did a little branch because honestly I'm embracing this hot weather before fall. The flowers are still up and I just thought this is a really cute and simplistic theme and style that I would absolutely love. So I definitely put me into this. I put 2 different fonts. I did a little cursive and I did box letters, which I actually do on my channel as well, and I thought that would be really cute and really represent me. I put my quotes and everything, some motivation in here. So there are no shortcuts to success, fresh start, love yourself, and my whole kind of intro and outro into this with little hearts. Next, we're gonna mark September. So this is our main focus because this is the month we're doing today. So I thought it'd be really cute to have a page just for this, just to kind of represent September as a whole instead of just 2018. So of course I did this little cute hello September, and I drew little light lines across it, kind of like vines wrapped around hello September, and I put a couple of flowers there as well. And then on the next page I drew a line rose because in this I'm definitely working and I'm definitely doing line art because I think that's so cool, so simplistic, and I love simplicity. This is just my favorite thing ever, and I think anybody can do it. So I'm gonna put the main calendar, full calendar on here first, Sunday to Saturday, and then I thought this page looked a little plain, so then I just kind of put roses and sticks across it. Now the next one is also simple but at the same time very helpful. So I really want to focus on goals. This is the first month really back in school, first full month into school, and I really want to focus on my goals and stay focused. So sleep, I have been so bad with sleep so far, so I want to focus on sleep, fitness, YouTube, homework, and saving money. So I put those as my September goals, and then of course decorated this as well. I had my branch kind of connect to the next page so it can look cohesive, and you guys didn't see me draw this girl just because I didn't realize my camera got cut off, but she's also line art and she's really pretty. I thought she would just go with the whole flow of this nature kind of theme. Now this is my goal tracker. It's my September tracker, and this is just to see if I can do it every day, and I feel like this will really help me realize my faults and my strengths, because this will really tell me what I'm doing throughout the week. Now I went of course with the little branch and leaf theme, which is cute, and I put my days of numbers for my days on there. Now you will see I skipped some numbers. That's just because I only did weekdays and I did not put any weekends into this tracker, because I just know it's no point because they're gonna be pretty plain. I do everything that I'm not supposed to do on weekends, so there's no point in even putting them on here. And I give my weekends a little wiggle room as well. So these are simple goals that I personally liked, and I thought these were cool, but of course you can have your own. So again, sleep, new video, no spending, post Instagram, workout, clean, 3 meals a day, good day, bad day. So I already did Monday and Tuesday, which both days I didn't spend money. I cleaned on Monday, I had 3 meals on Tuesday, and blah blah blah. You get my point. Now this right here is the last page, but I feel like this is the most important page just because you're gonna do this 3 to 4 more times. This is your whole week. This is where everything goes, and this is where you put most of your stuff on. So now I wanted to just kind of keep everything organized, so I put my colors in order. I know I'm a geek, but I thought this would be easier, so I want to have 2 colors clashing together, and I just kind of did this. Make sure you have your Monday to Sunday on here. I don't care what order you put it in. You can put Sunday first or Monday first, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you have all that on one page, and I gave every day an even size box, so all the boxes are the same size. Luckily with the dots it helps out really a lot, but my lines are not straight. And I did the same thing on the other side, but these boxes are a little different because there are different things. So now I have to do, I have shopping, I have another box for next week, and then I have a kind of question mark box because I feel like I would use this box, but I just didn't know what I would use it for yet. So I just have that open just for later in the month once I find a actual job for it. And then I went ahead and colored my September. This is 3rd into the 9th, and so the next page is going to be the 10th to the whatever, and you get the point. So I just wanted to make sure I have the days down on here so I know what day of the week it is, and I didn't have to put 3 for Monday, 4 for Tuesday, because it's already understood. And I'm not going to show you guys doing the other 3 to 4 pages of the month, but I did want to just put this down that exactly the same as the first one. And go ahead and claim your work by putting your name on it, and you're done. You can do thicker lines if you want to make your work more bold than mine. I just personally like the thin line theme. It fits my channel theme and everything. So if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Follow me on social media down below. Don't forget to subscribe and learn how to live, lose your worries, and love yourself. Bye guys.